I have been looking forward to taking my Soul Foodies to see Jay Fai and enjoying the first street food Michelin star restaurant that is just superly renowned because it is #1 by the Queen of Bangkok cuisine, by a Thai lady, and I'm just so proud and so excited that we get to come and see her, meet her, and try her food.
Okay, we are here. Welcome back to my channel. Enjoying Jay Fai. I can't wait to share with you all the things we're gonna get to enjoy. We have our whole group here. Our cute person's been here since 9 a.m. and it is already 6 p.m. So with that, we have a lot of excitement going on. We got a tour of the town and now we're gonna eat.
So Jay Fai, first of all, Jay means like an older sister. Fai means a mold. In Thai people, we love to name people based on their appearances. And Jay Fai, she has a mold on her face, and that's what she's known by. And it is, that's just what it is in Thailand, and it is an enduring name. What is so special about Jay Fai's restaurant, or Ran Jay Fai, is that it is a super small stall. She charges the price equal to a 5-star hotel restaurant, and it is totally worth it in my opinion. I know if you ask some Thai people, even my friends, would be like, why would you go there? Or, is it really worth it? I have to say it is all about the experience, and the food is really high quality. She resources all her products, especially her seafood, straight from the supplier that they've had connections for over 40 years, and it is the best. Yes, the price does reflect the quality, but in my opinion, it is totally worth it. To really get to enjoy, the secret tip is you do have to come queue up early. It is day by day. Technically, it doesn't really take a reservation, but you can come and queue up, put your name on the list, and kind of go walk around. You can even hire people. So if you go there and you talk to somebody and you see this person standing in line, being on the phone and really taking cues, that has actually become a job for somebody to do that. And if you want to, we can hire that person to book a table for you. They have a relationship. There is still no cutting queue, but you have somebody standing there the whole time, making sure that you will be there when your table is ready. They can call you, so that's really key and really important. Once in a lifetime experience for sure, but for me, I've been there twice, and when I have time and I'm in Thailand, I still would go and eat her food. I crave it. I can totally still taste it every time I'm here in the States and thinking about a crab omelet. Even though we've tried to make it, it is just all about that charcoal fire. It is about the senses and experiences and the sound that's come all together just sitting at our place without air conditioning, in the heat, just really absorbing it all and just being in Thailand on the street. It is amazing. The main dishes that I highly recommend to order that I love are definitely the crab omelet. That was a hit among all of our foodies. You will also would definitely want to enjoy the tom yum. Tom yum is the lemongrass spicy soup with shrimp, is how I like to order it. She has this beautiful, gorgeous, big shrimp, and she uses so much herb that she puts in it. It is amazing.
Crab omelet ไข่เจียวปูของเจ๊ไฝนะคะ It's like a crab burrito. See?
So the first dish, and one of the main reasons why we're here, is the crab omelet, or kai jiao pu, that she rolls and rolls into this burrito-looking egg thing. And I call it a burrito because, hey, I am from Texas. I'm a Texan halfway, and to me, it looks like a burrito. If you had to pick it up, put it in foil, as if you were eating a burrito that is just crab meat and eggs. And it is gorgeous and beautiful and crispy. Once you cut into it, you can see the steam coming out, the big chunks of the lump crab meat that's in there. There's over half a kilo of crab meat in there, which is like a pound, and it is so amazing.
So this is Jay Fai's signature dish. I feel like she put the crab omelet on the map in this form. No one has ever done it like this before. Now everyone is kind of copying her because it's so popular, but this is her true signature. I feel like there's like a half a pound of crab meat inside. Did you get enough crab? Like, see that lump? If you go over and watch her make it, she does the egg, she puts the crab in, and she like just rolls it, and then she pours more of the egg mixture in there, and then she rolls it in that hot oil to create this little burrito thing and crispy. Okay, so we have the Chinese broccoli, right? Kana,ผัดน้ำมันหอย with the oyster sauce. And then we have khao hu, which is actually a shellfish. It's an abalone. Ooh, this texture looks good. I love it. I haven't had it since I was a little girl. It's one of my dad's favorites. No.
This is Hua seafood. Hua means to charcoaly burnt dish to seafood, and the main ingredients in this particular dish is the big rice noodles and the egg that is tossed in a beautiful white soy sauce and crispy, lightly burnt, adding that crisp. And then she throws in all this beautiful seafood. You can see that there is this really weird piece of something that almost resembles a white mushroom, but it technically is a squid that has been beautifully butterflied so that when it is cut in this particular shape and it kind of curls, it makes it super tender when you bite into it. It is amazing. And can you see that beautiful big shrimp right there? Oh my goodness, I'm like salivating just watching this all over again. This is another signature of hers, tom yum. And we ordered it with shrimp, and you can see how big those shrimp are. They're so yummy. They seasoned the soup perfectly. And look at all those herbs that are in there. You can see the lemongrass, the makut, lime leaf. I mean, she just throws in all this amazing herbs that just aromatically just kind of florals out when you just stir it. You know, it is amazing. So if you go and eat this at any other restaurant, you will not see this much lemongrass or makut lime leaf floating around. She really throws in, like, I feel like 2 handfuls in this. And obviously you don't want to eat it, but you just want to just have it floating all over. And the mushrooms that she uses in this, you can't really get this beautiful fresh straw mushrooms that you can see in this particular dish here in the States. Unfortunately, I'm still looking for it. You can get it in Europe. Oh my goodness, I know I say that all of these dishes are my favorite, but this is one of the dishes that I grew up on, I crave, I eat every weekend when I used to live in Thailand. It is pu pat pong gali. Pu is crab, pat means to walk, toss, pong gali is a curry flavor. And just eat this every single day. We ordered a few of these, and at the end there was so much crab meat that we were like, okay, who wants another piece of crab meat? I can't put another crab meat in my stomach, but we were passing it down the table, up and down, and somebody just had to take that last few pieces of crab meat. It was so hilarious how much crab meat we ordered for that particular table that day.
We had an amazing dinner. We're pretty much filled to the top. The food kept coming, 2 or 3 dishes at a time, and we just kept rolling. And then by the end, we were like, is there still more? And there still was. We ended with latna. Everyone's favorite was the crab omelette, of course. The crab lump meats were like literally this big. I probably ate about 10 or 15 of those between the crab curry, pu pat pong kali, and the crab omelette, and all the seafood that was in our noodle dishes. Pat kimao was also a big favorite with seafood, and we had such a huge group. She has been a fan of us too. Actually, we're hoping to get a picture with her, and it has been an amazing experience. So if you are in Thailand, she is around 78 right now. We don't know how much longer she's gonna do it. Probably as long as she can, obviously. So you need to come here as soon as possible. Make sure you come and get a queue early at 9 a.m. You have to come and get a queue at 9 a.m. We came at 9. Our queue was at 1:44, which is at the end of the day. 6 o'clock, 9 to 6, she's done since she's cooking now until almost 9 p.m. She's been doing this for 12 hours a day. So kudos to her. I mean, I wish I could work this hard these days, but you know, she is a legend, a legacy, and we're so excited to be presenting her to you today. ขอบคุณค่ะ